Earth moving was my main thing I do, and I used to sawmill when I was younger and that, and I sort of done it because I was sick of wasting wood on earth moving jobs. And that's why I only initially got the WPF, was just to mill up logs instead of digging holes or burning them. But then the demand for timber, once people realised what I was doing, then yeah, took off from there really, and bought the DWS to go with it all, and extended track rails and bits. Compared to most other mills I've had, they sit better, they don't tend to jump round. Quite a consistent, powerful mill for hardwoods and that. I've had a Remu and a Lucas Coulthard, Mahoe. Now I've got a Peterson WPF 10-inch, so I can do what my customers ask for, which you can't get out of most of your conventional mills, like your quarter saws and that. I was going to buy it with a clip-on slabber, but I didn't to begin with. Then the way the demand of my work went, well, it was a waste of time with the clip-on slabber. I went straight to the DWS just to save time and not having to switch over from the saw to the slabber, then back to the saw. I can, as you can see here, got both at each end of the rails, which are handy. You can push one out of the way and come straight in with the other, which saves time. It's more efficient, safer too, for me and my staff. My main species of timber I cut's mainly macrocarpa, redwood, gum, and yeah, Lusitanica, Lawsiana. When I'm milling my own timber, I normally cut on my own. But then, yeah, working, I always have one or two tailor outers. Makes it a lot quicker, more productive. And you can swap rolls, so no one's ever getting fatigued. You know, go and have a turn on the mill, then tail out, then one loads the mill with the digger, and sort of just share the jobs, which is a good thing. And weight for doing sleepers and slabs and that too. To go with my mill, I actually bought a proper grapple digger, because out of all the machines I've had loaders, forklifts, bits and pieces, whereas a digger sits by the mill, you're not tracking around, quick to load, like 30 seconds you got to log in. That's why I like having 3 men, because one tailing out, one on the mill, then one can sort of be doing other bits and load the mill while the men are getting ready for the next cut and things like that. Features, well, there's that many good ones about it really, like yeah, you can double cut with them, things like that, utilise your log better. Well, you're not limited to what you can cut. You can cut both sides of your log, then cut slabs out of the centre, or you can just optimise your log, get a better yield of timber at the end of the day. Versatility really of what you can use it to do.